Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to animate text in PowerPoint. I have a few texts over here. So first you need to select the first text and go to the animation tab on the top ribbon and select the animation. So the first is the I'll be happy with the grow and turn, and here is the glow and turn animation. And now select the second text and click on this animation and select the bounce. And on the right side you will see that the start, you need to click on this and select on the with previous. And now select the third one and click on this arrow and select the shapes, and in the start you need to select the after previous. And now head to the preview tab on the left side to see the animation, and here you can see that. So you can change it. It is sometime mixing up. You can go to the here grow and turn, and you can select this the bounce, and this is the shape. And now head to the preview and see what happened, and here you can see that. So this way you can easily animate text in PowerPoint. This is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can do that. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.